म्यूजिक बंद करना हो। Post. So hello everyone. Am I audible and visible? Let me confirm by my phone, then I will further proceed. So welcome guys. Welcome to Nepal an Academy. So yes, we are live. So what's up guys? How are you? All good? So let's start. So as I earlier tell, we are going to cover class 10th physics, and I am Rana Sujit Kumar, and I will be your physics teachers for the class 10th batch physics course. Here we will going to cover the whole physics of class 10th from scratch to advanced level. So we are uh, we are discuss we have discussed about motion and force. Earlier we are discuss that what is force, sorry, what is physics. Mm, let me check once again, is it visible or not? So guys, please comment in the chat if we are all set. Let me know how you are excited for the course. So welcome to all. uh, we So all the chats, all the notes will be provided in the chat uh, description box, and please like and subscribe and make patience till the course is doesn't end. So guys, just be updated. All the WhatsApp group and Telegram group are given in the descriptions box. Please go and check it out. And for any doubt and query, please comment it, or you can also put in WhatsApp group or Telegram group. My team, or if anyone see your doubt, they will try to solve you as soon as possible. solve your questions. So guys, we are now further proceeding to motion and force. See, we already discussed what is physics, as we started earlier that there was a network issue, so we just uh, off our cameras. Now we are once again live with chapter motion and force. So first we will see what is motion and what is force. We will discuss what is motion. So anyone want to help me? What is motion? So chapter's name is motion. So guys, see, if you prepare with me, so you must have to read first whatever I am teaching today. Then you must have to revise it for better understanding for tomorrow, uh, and it will be better understanding, and we will be stay connected, and it will become more interesting. So it is very useful if you are revising it, the concept today I just teach, and you will be more find and build your confidence enough to go. So uh, we all know, if there is a, what is motion. First tell me about what is motion. The chapter is all about motion and force. Can anyone? And as I earlier also tell that the we will going to follow circulum book for your uh, concepts, and we will solve problem other than any other than this book, you as per your wish you want. So if you have any problem, please comment below, and or in WhatsApp or Telegram group. So guys, tell me what is motion. See, hmm. When a object move from one place to another place, it is displaced. There is movement. It is there is movement, na? When an object is moved from one place to another place, it is called a motion. Or we can say there is uh, or displacement, or how we can say there is a movement of object from one place to another. In simple word, we will describe it as the movement of place to other, that is from object A is moving from x1 to x2. So if you have a book of circulum, you can further proceed with me. You can see there is a I will not able to see the book and able to uh, show you the book. So if you have a book, uh, you can be with you. If there are many things going on the like parachute landing, preservance rover sent Earth to the planet Mars, rocket used to send the preference rover, preference rover. So guys, don't go with my pronunciation. Figure the International Space Station in orbit about 400 kilometer above Earth. There is movement of object. In first we will visualize that the parachute is landing. Perseverance rover sent from Earth to planet Mars, that is parachute landing. And another one is rocket used to send from Earth to other planet, or we can say moon. There is movement of object. Now the rocket is moving from Earth to object, and the other one is the International Space Station in orbit about 400 kilometer about Earth. There is also a movement, or in simple word we will describe as bane a stone. Let's say a stone dropped in a water. We can see the ripple around it is created. There is most there is a there is display. We can say the ripple is moving from we observe that the ripple is moving from the stone where it is dropped, then from that center to the other end of the where the reservoir ends. Or see, it is defined there: a stone dropped from our hand, fruits falling from trees, etc. are the movement toward the earth. The earth attract various objects toward its center, that is gravitational force. Moon and earth are also attracting each other. And uh, there I earlier tell about the parachute landing and rocket from Earth to other planets or moon or International Space Station in orbit. There is motion, or we can say movement. That is the motion, the movement of object from one place to another. That's it. And further we will go further, moving to the topic gravitation. Let me select other. That is it is too much. Let's say choose another color. Gravitation. Newton. Newton's universal law of gravitation. We have the movement. Now we are see. Let me tell the story that mm, about gravitational force. Newton is sitting. We all know Newton. See, here Newton is sitting seated under the. Sorry, it is. We have to give respect to Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton is sitting under the apple tree, and apple is just dropped, and he began to think, oh, why apple dropped down, why it is not going to up, and then he proposed the gravitational force equation. So when Sir Isaac Newton, a British mathematician and physicist, saw a fruit falling from a tree to the ground, he began to wonder. वो सोचने लगे कि ये ये जो एप्पल है ये हॉरिजॉन्टली नीचे ही क्यों गया। वो सबसे पहले वो उन्होंने ये सोचा कि ये फॉल डिड नॉट फॉल हॉरिजॉन्टली बट इट इज वर्टिकली, ये वर्टिकली ही क्यों गिरा और हॉरिजॉन्टली क्यों नहीं गया। ये सोचने वाली बात है। और आफ्टर ये बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद ये और ये अपना थिंकिंग से ये यहाँ तक पहुंच गए कि that the attraction of apple and the earth caused by the fruit to fall toward the center of the earth. Similarly, he wondered how planet, moon, star, and sun are stuck in the sky. ये जो एप्पल उतना सबसे पहले ये सोचे कि ये वर्टिकली ही क्यों गया, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल क्यों नहीं गया। और बहुत स्टडी और थिंकिंग के बाद इन्होंने ये कंक्लूड किया कि ये जो एप्पल है ये अट्रैक्ट होता है सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ की ओर। दैट्स वाई एप्पल fall or fall down vertically to the center of earth. That's it, the whole assumption done by the whole it is not assumption, it is whole uh, whole equation, whole concept given by the Sir Isaac Newton. After a longer study, Newton concluded that there exists a force of attraction between all bodies. ये पहले एप्पल पे ऐसा ये कंक्लूड किया कि ये सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ की ओर अट्रैक्ट हो रहा है, बट आफ्टर so long study he concluded that the two bodies attract each other, whether it is less force of attraction or a strong force of attraction, but it two bodies always attract each other. two bodies always con- two bodies, and there is we can write in simple word like there exists force of attraction between between two bodies. That is further came to know about the term gravitational force. Further, we will move into the activity. There is activity, the calculation of gravitational force between two bodies is shown. The value obtained by the obtained using PhD interactive simulation on the internet. To open activity on your computer, open your internet browser and type OK. That is a link, you can go through it and check out it. I will attach also in the description box. There it is tell that in the simulation the mass of a sphere and its distance can be changed through the slider. If I have from the next activity uh, I will try to show the figure and go to the link also, so you can do your activity by your own. If there is any problem or any doubt, you can ask to me, or you can comment it out. So further moving to C, we will derive the first it is let me connect to my charger, it is not charged. Let me take a minute. So guys, my charger is connected now, it is good. So we are discussing about the gravitational force. See, the force between two masses before changing the force. Uh, we will discuss the activity later on, or if you have doubt, we can comment it out. There is by doubling the mass, you can observe there how force is related to the mass. If we change the mass, how force changes or varying. let let me move further. So where the activity is. Uh, Let me describe the activity also. Okay, the force the force between two masses before changing the mass, there will be one row, that is F1, and another one is after changing a mass, and it has two other sub row, that is first mass M1 and the second mass M2. Further, the force between two masses F2, and there will be conclusion for each. So if the force between two masses before changing the mass, what we are changing the mass, and let's say it is F1. If before changing the mass, let's say we have how much, 556 Newton, so it is very low. So the force of attraction between two bodies so much low that it is not able to attract, but there exists a force of attraction between two bodies. Even I am sitting here, you are listening from there. There is also a force of attraction between us, between me and you. Uh, but the for it is so much low, we are not able to, we not get attracted. But if the mass is bigger, let's say how a pen and earth, uh, how the we can compare the we can uh, compare the weight of pen with sorry, mass of pen with mass of earth, how it is it is negligible as compared to the mass of earth. The pen mass is how much in compared to the earth, it is too much low. Too much low is also not a good term to define. It is negligible in compared to the mass of earth, so it get attracted, and it is force of attraction is too much large. And if let's say the force between two bodies now is uh, 6 there is 60 and 50556 Newton exist between two bodies. before changing the mass. If the mass first mass is 600 kg and the another mass is 400 kg, then the force between two masses is that is F2 is 0.01235. There is 50 and 1011. Sorry, it is that. Okay, it is good. 345101112 Newton. It is put the force between two masses, that is 600 kg and 400 kg, that the force is 2 times of F2. And after changing the mass, now we will see. First is 0.00002 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5056 Newton. Now we will change the mass with 600 kg and 800 kg, and the force become how much? 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 2 0 2 0 2 2 2 4 Newton. 3 2 0, let me raise it is 0.000020224 Newton. Now it become how much? It is just double of this, and it is how bit how we can conclude how force is related to mass. We all see, if weight is increased, then the force is also increased. It is now the doubling the distance between two spheres keeping the mass constant. It is the first thing that we will observe, that change in mass, or the how by changing the mass how force is related, that is a point. And in and activity, and from the B we will see how doubling the distance between two objects is related. Or it is given that doubling the distance between two spheres keeping the mass constant. We will see by the real observation. Let us take example that if our first mass we have that is, let's say it is m1, and it is how much? Let us take 300 kg. Then second mass we also have, for attraction we have to take now another mass, so that I already tell that the force of attraction, there exists a force of attraction between two bodies. There is not a attraction between a single body. The force of for the force of attraction, there must exist a two body, and it is between two bodies there exists a force of attraction, or we can say the there must exist a force of attraction between two bodies. Don't get confused, guys. It is simple. There it is a force of attraction exists between two bodies. That's it. And we are taking for second mass as a 400 kg, and initial distance, let's say initial distance is 4 meter, and force F1 is it is too large, this value. So let me erase it for the accommodation in the row. Force F1 is 0.00.23456 is 560 in after decimal, and 5056 Newton. Then the change distance, that is after we are first we are taking the initial distance, then we are observing the data after changing the distance, that is change distance is d2, and it is 8 meter. And another force F2, we have 0.0123456560 and 125,139 Newton. The force F2 is which one? After changing the distance. So how forces how from the data, how you relate the distance with the force? If we increases the distance, then the force of attractions is going to increases. In the force F1, we observe that there is 5056 Newton only. Sorry, I reverse the, it is by changing the distance, by increasing the distance between two objects, the force of attraction going to decrease. It is inversely proportional to the force distance. We can observe from the data that if we take the initial distance 4 meter, then the force of attraction between them is 5 how much, 500. Earlier it was 50056 Newton, and I taken the wrong data. Let me erase. I am taking the data from the book, so you can also go, you can take the book with you for better visualization, guys. 50556 Newton. It is greater than this one. See, it is how much? 1,25,139, and it is how much? 5,0556 Newton, and the further zeros are equals. So if this one is the greater, na, and it is the lesser one. So if we increase the distance, then the force is going to decrease, and if we decrease the distance, and the force is going to increase. So how the distance is related to the force? If we increases the distance, the force is going to the lesser, or say if we increase the distance, then the force is going to decrease. So you can write your result by your own. See guys, you are making notes, then it will be more easy for to us to understand, and we are able to revise or recall the chapter easily when you are going through the revision. So you must keep notes or make notes by your own, but it will be more beneficial to you if you make notes by your own words. Then it will be more visible to you, more it give more understanding, and when you go to revise or recall, it will be more beneficial to you. Let me complete this topic, then let me derive the formula of gravitational force. After that you can further we will of the class. So we can take we see that force is directly proportional to mass, that is m1 m2. If let's say this is equation 1, how it is come, we observe from the above activity. If we take the 600 kg and 400 kg, then the force is one how much this one this this quantity. And if we take the mass as 600 kg and 800 kg, then the force is going to increases. Then we can conclude now force is directly proportional to m1 and m2. That is, if we increases the mass, then the force is going to increase. जब फोर्स बढ़ेगा, फोर्स कब बढ़ेगा, जब मास बढ़ेगा तो. That is from the activity 1, that is equation 1. And further from the activity 2 we have concluded that force is force is inversely proportional to a square of the distance. If we increases the distance, it is going to the decrease. If we decreases the force is decreases when the squares of distance is going to decreases. No, we can see here from the activity 2, if we take the distance as a 4 meter, it is the force of attraction exists with between the two objects is 500 5 lakh and 556 Newton. And if the distance is 8 meter, then the force of attraction between two objects is 1 lakh to 25,239 Newton. So it is approx a square distance to that is it is related by the squares of distance inversely proportional to the force. So be taken as assumption 2. जो फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है वो हमारे स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस से इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. दैट इज इक्वेशन 2. एंड कंबाइनिंग द इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2, दोनों इक्वेशन को हम कंबाइन करके इस नतीजे पे पहुंचेंगे कि फोर्स हमारा मास के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है प्रोडक्ट के, और स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस के इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है। तो ये दोनों को बैलेंस करने के लिए हम एक कांस्टेंट का यूज करेंगे, दैट इज k टाइम्स m1 m2 बाय डी स्क्वायर। और ये k क्या है? ये k हमारा कांस्टेंट है, दैट इज ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट, जो हम सब g से डिनोट करते हैं। इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम सब? ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट। इसका वैल्यू होता है अप्रॉक्स 1.67, सॉरी, इसका वैल्यू होता है हमारा 6.67 इंटू 10⁻⁻11 न्यूटन। इसका यूनिट क्या हो जाएगा? हम लोग यूनिट कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे? इस यहाँ पे मीटर स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे केजी स्क्वायर है, तो ये और ये न्यूटन है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर बाई केजी स्क्वायर। ये हमारा जी का वैल्यू है। ये इसको भी डिराइव करेंगे हम लोग अपने अगले क्लास में। So that's all from today. The SI unit of gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kg square। बस यहाँ तक ही हम आज रखेंगे अपने क्लास को। हम लोग धीरे धीरे बढ़ेंगे गाइस। आगे के लिए आपको पीछे का रिवाइज करना होगा, और आगे हो सके जितना थोड़ा सा पढ़ के आओगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा। और आगे हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल की ओर बढ़ेंगे धीरे धीरे, तो और भी कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होगा। सो इनिशियल स्टेज पे हम लोग इतना ही धीरे धीरे बढ़ेंगे। हम लोग बस एक एक टॉपिक करके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, क्या, क्योंकि आपको भी कोई दिक्कत ना हो। So today we will study about gravitational force, and how the force of attraction between two body exists, and how the distance is related to the force, and how the mass is related to the force, and we derive the equations of gravitation force between how force of attraction between two body exists, that is how it's related, that is be defined by the formula, that is force equal to g m1 m2 by d square। ये है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स। और ये कैपिटल जी हम लोग का है ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट, और m1 m2 आर द masses of two bodies। और ये हमारा है स्क्वायर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन two object, that's all। See पे हम सब लिख सकते हैं g of g टाइम m1 into m2 by t square. That's all. From the today, you can do example 7.1 and the basics questions of the motion and force chapter, so you can ask the questions also if you have any doubt. So guys, further proceed and cover all those things which we will discuss in the other class. So for today, that's all from my side. If you have any doubt, you can comment it out. And guys, please support us to reach more and more peoples who are in need. Just your one like and subscribe and follow will help us and motivate us. Just we are wanting your like and subscribe and follow button. So guys, please keep updated and stay with us. And if any query, please comment it out in the description box. We will attach the notes and useful document which will help you, and all the things we are attached in the that is WhatsApp group or Telegram group. We will attach in the description box. So that's all.